I honestly don't think I deserve this. Like, seriously, guys, this is going to be more like a ranting video. And also, I'll be needing your opinion, your ideas on what I'm about to share with us right now. To some point, I feel that sometimes YouTube just know what they are doing. Yes, because tell me, why will you upload a video that you know deep down that is you put in a lot of work, the editing, it stressed you. This is a video that require much research and that require your full attention. Boom, you upload that same video and the video just perform worse. Then when it comes to the payment aspect, you notice a high CPM, a high RPM. That aside, another thing is there is something that I noticed that is going on YouTube currently, which I don't know if you are out there and you are also noticing it or you are also experiencing it. We are also going to be talking about all of that in this video. So far so good. One of the harsh reality of this whole YouTube, that is for my newbies trying to start up a YouTube channel, one of the painful truths about YouTube is that you see that your best performing video, in fact you see that video that you take a lot of time, that video that you plan from scratch, some of those videos are not just going to perform well. And I am a living witness. My very last video, that is this particular video here, where I shared about 10 different things smart YouTubers do immediately after uploading their video. Oh my god, even some of the things that I do secretly, I shared it in this video. I was thinking that, hey, this video is going to blow up, this video is going to get the views. Oh my god, this video might even stand my channel out because of recently I have been experiencing low views. Though I know that if I say it, some of them might not really relate, but to my channel standard growth statistics and all, every single thing is shining black, black, black. Like I've been experiencing low views and I really need to bring out quality content. I even said that okay, I was going to stop doing all these views. Maybe let me deal with other aspects to see what is going to happen. That video, this single video took me how many hours? Jesus Christ. I did not sleep in the night. I was editing. I even used B-rolls. I used some things just to make sure that because of this video, I skipped about 2 days. I didn't upload on my channel. And that video was around 19 minutes, but I had to trim it till the video turned to about 15 minutes. I be almost 16 minutes, and I was like, voila, princess, this is a hit game. Oh my god, that same video performed worse. When I saw the analysis as of this morning and how much YouTube even placed for the video, I was really really heartbroken. I just dey look the video. Even the thought of deleting the video came to my mind, but even deleting a YouTube video is not going to solve any problem. In fact, it's even going to add, because YouTube don't like when you upload video and you delete it. And the video sef, YouTube has paid me for it. So deleting the video is not going to be an option. Now, what am I trying to say? Sometimes that video that you put so much heart in might not really perform well. And for the fact that it didn't perform well does not mean that, oh, you are bad with whatever you are doing, or maybe, oh, the content is just terrible, or maybe, oh, your audience don't like the content. It could simply mean that one, maybe too many people have talked about that video. Because if you check it out, that video is about what to do after uploading your video. So in my own aspect, I changed the title and some things in the video just to try make it get the views. I didn't see. You all will not understand. You will not understand. Let me show you guys the revenue first of this video so that you can be able to get it right. Now this video has fetched me $1.66. This is a video that is with 623 views that has made me $1.66, almost $2. And this is what how much advertisers are paying. Wow, it's actually dropped down, because as of yesterday when I checked it, the revenue per 1k views was $3.15. Oh my god. And the how much that is the CPA, which is this particular aspect, was around $5 something. You see, another wahala again. See, YouTube is not for the weak. YouTube is no, 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 no for the weak. So I want to know whether you are also experiencing it. In fact, not even I want to know. I believe that a lot of us are also experiencing it. The video we put so much mind and attention, they don't just perform well. Now that aside, another thing that I've noticed that is currently going on YouTube now, from some big channels and all, is low views. The low views is now too much. There are some channels that each time I want to get motivation, I'll just open their channel. As I'm seeing their views, I'll be like, God, when, God, when, God, when. But most of the times, I go to those channels and I see that their views are just low. Their content format, they do not change it. So this is me trying to tell you that if you are maybe you used to get views before and currently now the views is not viewing, that is, the views is nothing to write about. Everybody is facing it. I think maybe the era now, because I'm still trying to understand what is really going on. I watched Tech Informat video the other day where he was talking about a glitch on how a particular video tend to have like 400 views but got 1.8k comments. That was when I said, "Hala, something is really really going wrong. Something is really really happening with YouTube, and I think they need to fix it because the low views. Oh my God, you I think you need that is a very very good out of the box kind of video idea in order for it to perform well. Nothing that I have not, all the videos that I've been posting, there are videos that I used to post before that I used to get the views, but now hey, the low views is too much. It's too much. So to those of you that is coming in newly, that is still struggling to get your 1k subs and watch hour, and you're expressing the low views and you're feeling, is this how this YouTube thing is? I need to run. Oh, do not run. The thing is, one good thing I love about YouTube is that I hopefully believe and pray that this phase, this era is going to pass. This era of low views. I think maybe it's because of we are about to enter the Ember month. The Ember month happened to be one of the sweetest season and period on YouTube here, cause the CPMs are going to be really high. The this in RPM also will be so high, and you will make money. I think it was Ember month that really helped me to make my first ever high paycheck, which was last year December stroke January. So in the midst of this low view, in the midst of the low views that is going on, don't give up. Oh, do not quit. Do not quit. Okay, just try to start preparing yourself. And the competition used to be high during that Ember month. Like there used to be a very very high competition on YouTube here, because some people say will start doing vlog mass, which is posting from January 1st to the end of January, because most people are going to be on holiday. So I just wanted to know if it's only me that is observing all these things. I hope I'm not the only one facing it or seeing it. Yes, so just do it to share your thoughts with me in the comment section and whatsoever you think. Okay, yeah, just like as I said earlier on, this video is just for us to share our ideas and rants. Yes, for us to know what is actually going on. Okay, and I will still say it, I did not deserve it. I do not deserve these views. YouTube, this video, oh my God, it's not like the videos that you put your heart, like you know that you gave valid information. That is, it is well. Let me not talk too much. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you all in my next video. Before I forget, happy new month. Okay, so do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video if you've not done so, and always I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.